I am Hao from Zhuheng Tech. Let's talk about why airtightness matters. Ultra-low energy buildings follow 5 core principles. One of them, airtightness. Here's what it delivers. First, stops heat from escaping. Think of a thermos flask. Cork doesn't seal, heat escapes. Same with buildings. Second, blocks moisture vapor. Keeps moisture out of walls and indoor spaces. No condensation, no mold. Third, sound insulation. Better comfort, no cold drafts. During a fire, smoke and toxic gas are the real killers. Good airtightness slows their spread, buys time to escape. Ultra-low energy buildings use heat recovery ventilation. HRV filters out outdoor pollution and smog, keeping indoor air clean. Penetrations and gaps still need airtight sealing. And most airtightness materials are fully waterproof. No more leaks around windows and doors. So airtightness brings all these benefits. Not just for ultra-low energy buildings, great for retrofitting older buildings for comfort, and for 75% or 80% energy-saving window installations. Better living comfort, any building, anywhere. Follow Zhuheng for more on building airtightness.